This is going to be a video to show you how to log into the Chromebook and how it works. Sorry for the video quality because I'm having to use my mobile phone so that I can actually show you how to log in. If I was just to record the screen, obviously I couldn't record this part. So what I've done quickly is just press the power button. I had to log into the Wi-Fi, but when we're in school, the Wi-Fi will automatically just connect. At least it should if everything's working well. We know that doesn't always happen. But I just had to quickly press the power button and you see a little white login screen. I had to connect up, but when we do it in school, this will come up straight away. So as you can see, you need your Google account to sign in. So it's asking for email, but as you might notice there, it says edgebuzz.org straight away. So all I have to do is type in my username. So mine's is Andrew. I don't even have to type in @edgebuzz.org. It's been done for me. Important to note that the school Chromebooks, we can only log in with our Edgebuzz. We can't log in with private Gmail accounts. And then you go ahead and enter your password. One other thing you might notice is it doesn't have a cap block, so you have to hold shift if you have capital letters in your password. So there's a few differences between this and a laptop, but not many. These ones have 14-hour battery life, which is a really good difference. The screens are a lot bigger than the netbooks we have in school. The whole thing is a bit bigger actually, but they're very light compared to the netbooks. So down the bottom here, you'll see the Wi-Fi, which doesn't look like it's connected. I might have to fix that. Sign out and just some notifications and also the time. And you'll notice that it's not like a normal computer. It doesn't have a lot of applications and everything like that. You just have to click. It doesn't have it's not a Windows computer, so it doesn't have the Windows logo there. But it does have some Google apps. Now I'm just looking here. It's telling me there's no network. So all I had to do there was just connect to my home Wi-Fi network. But as I say, it shouldn't be a problem at school. Now what you notice is since I'm online, all my apps are starting to load up. And you can download apps for yourself just by going to the web store. You can download free apps even if you're a pupil, which is a really good thing, which we can't do in the netbooks. So I'm just going to give you a little quick tour. So these, again, you can pin things to your taskbar. So these are my most commonly used apps down the bottom here. So I've got Drive, Google Classroom, Google Keep, which is a note-taking tool, Chrome, obviously, Google Mail, Google Docs, and YouTube. They're the main ones that I use. If you wanted to add something to your taskbar, you would just have to drag it down the bottom there, and then that would be there for good. But I'm not going to put 3D in there because I don't actually know what it is yet. I'll be exploring that soon. Okay, but let's say we want to go onto our Google Drive. We just click the drive. It actually opens the web browser, but it's just like a little shortcut. So it's technically not an app because it opens up the browser. But there you go. You'll see there is my Google Drive, just as it would normally look on any laptop. One thing that is another benefit is they log in really quickly. And as long as you've got a good Wi-Fi connection, the Chromebooks are really quick because they don't have a lot of memory like a laptop. Okay, but let's say that I want to just browse the web as normal. So one game that we like to play in P6 is hit the button. So I can just type, hit the button, like I normally would on a laptop, see the normal site. This is normal, click on it. And one thing is that Flash Player does seem to work on them. So let's click on times tables, 7 times table, and just like we do in class on the laptops, we can probably hit the button. So you can visit pretty much every website that you can visit on a laptop. Sometimes you might have issues that Flash Player doesn't work, like sometimes happens to us on the school netbooks, but so far everything seems to be good. Okay, let's open up Classroom. So I've just clicked the little Classroom app, and you can see it just opens Classroom like it normally would on a laptop. Okay, so I'm not going to explain too much about Google Classroom, but there we go, we're in. Okay, I've also got my mail, so I can check my Gmail just by clicking on that. It'll open up another window. So it's loading up my emails. It's taking a while because I've got a lot. Okay, there we are. So there's my emails, just as normal. Can send a new email, receive new emails, just like you would in a laptop. Okay, if I wanted to click on YouTube, I'll just click that and it would open YouTube on the internet. Okay, so there's YouTube. Another good thing, let's open a Google Doc and I can explain a bit better. Another good thing that we've had a lot of problems with on the netbooks is Google Voice typing not working. Okay, so if you have difficulty with writing or you're not sure on how to spell a word, I'm just going to open up a new Google Doc and just show you how that would work. So I'm not going to explain too much how Google Docs work in this video, but what I will show you is if I go to Tools, Voice Typing. Now it tells me over here, click to speak. Now you might have tried this on the netbooks and found that it doesn't work. Let's see how it works. So I'm going to say a quick test phrase. Now I'm quite far from the laptop microphone here. I'm sitting up and the laptop's on the floor. Watch how well it picks up my voice. I'm just going to speak at a normal pace. You have to allow the microphone every time a new person logs in as well. So I'll just allow that. Hello, my name is Mr. Andrew and I am showing off how Google Voice Typing works. Now I had to just click off that or else it would have kept picking up what I say. But as you can see, hello, my name is Mr. Andrew and I'm showing off how Google Voice Typing works. Okay, one thing that I might need to add is a full stop. But you can see there that it just picked up really quickly. Okay, so that's one really good benefit that we don't get on the laptops in school. And there's a lot more that Chromebooks can do. I might explain more in other videos, but I think the best way for us to explore the Chromebooks is by just using them. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you've got any questions, you can email me, you can contact me in Class Dojo, or even leave a comment in this video. Okay, thank you.